I'm Mike at Top Dog SF, and I'm here with Millie, the mini Bernie Doodle, and today we're going to be working on the cue touch. Touch is a fun enrichment activity to do with any puppy or new dog in your home, and it's even a fun activity for older dogs. We have not done this cue with Miss Millie yet, so we don't know how it's going to go. We'll find out. So to start, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of treat, I'm going to put it in between two of my fingers. It doesn't matter which two. All right, so I'm just going to give her a couple little pieces just to get her interested in what we have here. In this case, we're using some string cheese. I'm going to put a little piece of string cheese in between my index and middle finger, and yes! The moment Millie touches her nose to my hand, I mark with a YES, and then I feed her with my opposite hand. Yes. Yes. At this point, I'm not giving her any cue. I just want her to make the decision to try to do this on her own. Yes. Yes. All right, so now that Millie will touch my hand with her nose when I have a piece of treat inside of it, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say touch right before I put my hand out. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Then I'm going to see if Millie will touch my hand without any food in it. And once she does that, then we know that she's connecting the dots. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. If the dog doesn't respond right away, just be patient. Let them figure it out. Letting them figure it out is a big part of the learning process in dog training. Touch. Yes. So now the final step is that I'm going to try and get Millie to touch my opposite hand without any food in it. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. All right, so that's literally all there is to it. We're just trying to give the dog a cue to touch their nose to our hand when we put our hand out. This is a great way to redirect puppies into other activities when they're distracted or reacting towards things in the environment. And it's a fun game to play with your dog, and it gets their brain working and their nose working all at the same time. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos. If you would like more information about Top Dog SF, please visit our website, topdogsf.com.